Let's talk about using a Keurig machine. What are the steps to using the Keurig machine? What do you need? Keurig machine, coffee pod, water, mug. Make sure your water reservoir is full. Your machine should be plugged in. Turn the power on for the Keurig. Wait for the Keurig to heat up. Open up the Keurig. Put the coffee pod in the machine. Place a mug on the drip tray. Push the handle all the way down. Select the size coffee you want. Enjoy your coffee. Do not put your fingers inside. How do you drink your coffee? I like my coffee with milk and sugar. Which one is a Keurig machine? Which one do you use in the Keurig machine? Which one shows heating? What size is the smallest? What size is the largest? Keywords to learn.